The gear I'm gonna suggest in this video is to make a short film, not for vlogging or creating YouTube videos. There are three main categories that I'll suggest: camera, microphone, and lighting. I won't suggest anything else, like gimbals, headphones, dollies, etc., because they will distract you from concentrating on what matters most: the story. Because I don't know if you already have a camera or your filmmaking budget. I have put together three different setups, starting from $0 to $1,500. Even if money isn't an issue, start with $0. However, the $1,560 option will allow you to experiment and understand how cameras work. Only after then, you'll be prepared to splash as much as you want on the gear that is right for you. Option 1. No budget whatsoever. Let's begin with option 1. You have no money to spend on gear, or you don't want to spend any money on gear. Wise choice. I like starting with $0. It'll allow you to be even more creative as you'll have to find workarounds to add production value. You will use your friend, relative's phone or camera. Any phone made after 2020 will give you video quality that is good enough for your first short film. You will need to be creative with lighting. In the last episode, where I teach you everything you need to know about lighting your scenes, I go through various ideas for getting professional results with the lights you already have. So, if you haven't already, watch that video. As for the audio, we will again use your smartphone, bearing in mind that we will need to be creative again. If you're shooting a dialogue that requires a long shot, the audio will not be clear. The farther away from the source, the crappier the recording quality. There are three workarounds, though. Workaround 1. Use the phone as a prop. You could hide another phone in the scene, close to your talent, and capture the audio from that phone. In this scene, my talent was holding her phone in her hands. We exploited this situation to record her lines directly on her phone. Workaround 2. Hide a second phone in the environment. We can hear both actors in this wide shot, because we hid a phone in the scene to record the audio. Workaround 3. Dub your talents. If both options are infeasible, dub your talents in post-production. Dubbing may seem like cheating, but it's not. Doppiare potrebbe essere come imbrogliare, ma non lo è. Dabbe peut ressembler à de la triche, ma ce n'est pas le cas. It is widely used in all Hollywood productions, especially for distributing the film worldwide. Option 2. $500 budget. If you can spend $500, I still suggest you shoot your film with your phone. Any camera in that price range will be the same as your smartphone, if not even worse. Again, use your phone or ask a friend to borrow one. If you could shoot with an iPhone 13 or a newer model, you'll get that cinematic mode to replicate an expensive camera's look by adding artificial depth of field to your images, blurring the background around your subjects. It is still pleasant and better than not having it. Invest your bucks in good lighting and a quality microphone. The best value light is the Godox ML60 because you get so much in this package. You get a powerful light. 60 watts is more than enough to light up your subjects indoors. I also own this light. I've used it several times as a key light for my outdoor night shooting. The package includes a quality softbox, a power adapter, and this beautiful handle that hosts two NP F970 batteries that will last you almost 2 hours of shooting with the light on 100%. It all comes in this quality bag. Next, you will need a light stand. I picked an Amazon Basic product that costs around $30. It isn't the most sturdy light stand on the market, but it's sturdy enough to bear the load of your light. Moving on to a tripod. And yes, you need one, even if you're going to shoot with your phone. I suggest this $49 K&F Concept tripod. It comes with a smartphone holder, is lightweight, and you'll be able to use it with almost all mirrorless cameras if you upgrade one day. As for the microphone, my top pick is the Rode VideoMic Go 2. I use it as a boom mic for streaming, Zoom calls, and videos. The top features are the excellent audio quality. It works without batteries, so recharge isn't necessary, which is just so convenient. The versatility. You can plug it on top of your camera or phone, use it as a boom microphone, and plug it into your PC to boost the audio quality of your Zoom calls. The last piece of gear is only needed if you have an iPhone, the Rode SC19 cable adapter. You need it to plug the microphone directly into your phone. It's a little pricey, but worth the money. If you use any other phone, you don't need this cable, but you'll still need a USB-C to USB-C cable to plug the mic on your smartphone. As you can see, we've spent less than $500 for a killer setup to make your first short film look good. Option 3. $1,560 budget. If you're serious about filmmaking, have the cash, have never bought a camera before, and are positive that this passion will stick for some time, then this is your option. Let's start with the camera. It's an APS-C camera with interchangeable lenses. Don't let the size fool you, because this camera is a beast. It shoots in 4K, has a tremendous autofocus system, and has a ton of lenses for you to choose from to expand its shooting capabilities. The version I suggest is the one with the kit lens. It is not the brightest, but it is undoubtedly the most versatile for the money. It costs only $100 if you buy it with the camera. Its range goes from 16mm to 50mm, allowing you to take from extremely wide shots to fancy subject close-ups with a pleasant bokeh, the cinematic separation that makes your subject three-dimensional by letting them pop from the blurred background. Not only will this camera allow you to learn the basics of shooting with a mirrorless camera, but you will also keep it forever for its quality, convenience, and portability. I've added a series of accessories to complete this purchase. A couple of extra batteries and a charger for long shooting sessions for $28. A UV filter to protect your lens from dust and scratches, $19. A variable ND filter, which allows you to shoot outdoors in bright conditions. This filter acts as a pair of shades for your camera. It will help control the exposition and avoid burning your images. It isn't the most quality one you could get, but it's more than good enough and only $20. A tripod, the same as suggested for the $500 budget option, the $49 K&F tripod. Lighting, again, my pick is still the Godox ML60 package I described earlier. As for the microphone, I suggest the Rode VideoMic NTG, priced at $239. This microphone has an internal battery that lasts approximately 30 hours. It has more controls than the VideoMic Go 2, letting you customize the audio levels and a few more features. Its quality is close to professional microphones that could cost over $1,000. Yes, it is that good. This time, there's no need for an external cable, as the mic comes with the necessary cable that allows you to plug it directly into your camera. The last three items are accessories for the microphone. A $49 boom pole. It allows you to put the microphone close to your subject for the best audio quality when you need to be farther away with your camera, for a long shot, for instance. A $16 12-foot cable to connect the mic to the camera when using the boom pole. And a $39 windshield for shooting outdoors in the wind. It will help you to avoid those unpleasant wind rattles that could completely ruin your recordings. And there you have it, a kit that, if used correctly, could fool a professional videographer into thinking that your production was made with Hollywood quality pro gear. Side note, none of the products I suggested in this video are sponsored by their makers. I compiled these lists with the gear I love and think best suits your needs. You will find all of these products in the video description. They're all affiliate links. Using them won't cost you more, but I'll get a small commission to help this channel grow. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content like this, and don't forget to check the entire playlist from no good to Hollywood, where I challenge beginners to join me on a journey writing and producing their first short film. Hey, thank you for watching, I appreciate you, and I'll see you next time.